Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is November 22nd, 2016, and more controversy into what we are seeing in the southwest region of the sky, and it is not Venus.
Okay, folks, so over the last couple of days, all of this information has come out about the object in the southwest portion of the sky, and also the big argument over this NASA SETI footage that was supposed to be a glitch in their camera systems. Now, as far as what we are visualizing in the southwest sky, I just want to make something very clear, because we're getting a lot of flack and the debunkers are out there and they're all saying, it's Venus. It's Venus. Okay, well, it's not Venus. We know where Venus is in the early evening sky. Now, everyone that is sending footage in and photographs, they're informed on where Venus is located in the early evening sky. Now, we're looking into the southwest region of the sky, and let's just take a look from Earth's perspective right here. So we know where Venus is. We know where the sun is. We know where Mars is. Now, we're looking directly up in this area. This is where we are seeing the object. It is slightly outside of the constellation of Sagittarius. So, do you see Venus in that high portion of the sky in the constellation of Sagittarius during the month of November? Answer, no, you do not. Now, it insults all of our intelligence when debunkers are telling us these people are stupid, they don't know what they're doing, they're complete idiots, they don't know what they're photographing, but we do know where we are looking in the sky. And we are not looking at Venus. We are not looking at Venus. Now let's just take a look at where Venus is in the sky. This is for November 2016, and you can clearly see where my cursor is. Here's Venus right above the horizon. We are looking high in this portion of the sky. I don't even have enough of this photograph to show you how high in the sky we are visualizing this object. Let's move to another photograph. Now, once again, we're looking, here's Venus, here's Saturn, southwest, moon. We're looking far up into this area. This is where the object is coming from. It's not Venus, it's not Saturn, and it's definitely not Jupiter in the early morning hours when you can see Jupiter. Once again, we're going to look southwest 1 hour after sunset. Clearly, you can see Venus. We're looking far up over here is where we are seeing this object. Now, I want to show you something, because this is the footage, one of the camera angles from SETI. I want you to notice how this object seems to rotate toward you. It's very clear. It starts to rotate towards you ever slightly towards the last part of the image. Now, the sun doesn't rotate toward you. It doesn't rotate in that fashion. And we are also looking at this large dark object, this circular pattern in the middle of this sphere showing up on this SETI footage. Now, once again, so many people have their opinions on this. NASA claims it's a camera glitch, but yet it showed up on 6 different cameras, 6 different views, but it's a camera glitch. The debunkers are saying it is an image, a holographic image, whatever you want to call it. It's an image of the sun. Okay, well, you know what? There is some evidence that it is an image of the sun. Maybe it was projected over something that they didn't want us to see. Now, let me show you something. And once again, I hope you paid close attention to that dark circle in the middle of this spherical object. Let's look at this. This object and this information was sent in less than 4 hours later from one of my subscribers to this channel. And look what we have captured. What is this object? What might that be? Is that the big donut in the sky the debunkers are talking about? Because if that's the best answer that you can give us, you're calling it the big donut, well, you may be the one that's the idiot, because the subscribers to this channel are doing their part by getting out there and taking photographs, and they know where Venus is in the sky. They know where it's at. It's very clear, very evident. So don't insult all of our intelligence because the government is paying you to debunk my videos and hide the information that is clearly out there in the sky. It's a fact. Ladies and gentlemen, you can clearly see what we're looking at here. And I noticed something else. Nemesis, Nibiru, Planet X, was given a name, the planet of the crossing. It was imaged with IRAS and clearly showed planets in a cross pattern. Well, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Object in the middle. There is your crossing. Now, yes, there's a high possibility I may be wrong. I'll admit that right now. But the image that you're looking at on your screen and this cross pattern, I'm not sure if those are planets, but what we're seeing here is absolutely amazing. The coordinates are there in the lower left-hand corner. If anybody can tell us what that object is, hey, it would be greatly appreciated. But what our viewers and our subscribers are seeing in the southwest region of the sky between 6:45 p.m. and later is not showing up on any star map, planetary map, the sky map that you can use the application with your cell phone. Okay? It's not showing up. And it definitely does not tell you that object is Venus. Now, one of our subscribers took telescopic images the other day, and we were told that out of 245 images, the craters and the indentations and everything seen in those photographs, the debunkers said it was dirt on the lens. Wow. Well, that was some pretty high definition dirt on the lens. Bottom line, folks, what we are seeing in the sky, in the southwest region of the sky, is not Venus. Do not let anyone insult your intelligence, because no one subscribing to this channel is an idiot. We shouldn't be insulted for investigating or trying to do research on what we are seeing in the sky. Should we consider it a threat? I don't know just yet. But all I know is, once again, earthquakes went crazy over the last few days. Last week, it was New Zealand. Today and yesterday, Japan. The west coast of South America. So all of a sudden, once again, the debunkers will say, hey, that's just an ordinary fact of nature. Well, I'm not buying it. It's not Venus.
I'd like to thank all of our Nibiru watchers. You guys do a fantastic job. Would also like to thank you for your loyal subscribership. You can continue to email your photographs and your video to NibiruPlanetX2016@gmail.com. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family members on Facebook. And subscribe to the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And like I always say, keep an eye in the sky.